In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your X or Twitter account. So let's just get straight into the video. The best way to go ahead and do so is going to be by simply heading into your Safari or any browser that you prefer using and head straight into help.x.com, just like that. If you want to simply go ahead and recover it with your SMS verification. There are two ways to do so, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this one first. So all you need to do is click on help with locked or limited account, and then simply head into contact our support. And then you can simply go ahead and tell them what problem you're having right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and click on phone number and then click on reset password, and you'll be sent a verification code, and then you can simply go ahead and change your password by entering the verification code. The other way you can go ahead and do so is gonna be by simply opening your X application on the login page. Just click on forgot password and proceed with the same steps. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.